All right, what's going on? This is Zachary, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to connect your MetaMask wallet to the Sandbox Game website in order to create an account, add sand, and participate in a land sale. By clicking the link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you to the sign in page. Now, when you go to sign in on the Sandbox Game website, what I personally do is I do the option where it says connect your wallet with MetaMask. Once you click on that, it's going to pop up and it's going to ask you to input your information for your MetaMask wallet. And so you can go ahead and you can do that now. Once you connect your wallet, it's going to ask you to sign the message. So you can go ahead and you can click sign. And then just like that, it's going to add you into the Sandbox game. You're going to have your account going. Now, what you have to do after you have your account is you need to make sure that you have sand in your MetaMask wallet. If you already have sand, then you'll be able to move to the next step. But if you don't have sand, this is what you need to do. We can see that sand is available on a number of different exchanges: Binance, Uniswap, Huobi, Gemini, Polynex, Gate.io, Bittrex, just to name a few. We've also got crypto.com on here as well. So what you'll first need to do is go to one of the exchanges and actually purchase the amount of sand that you'll need in order to buy land. You can verify which ones are for sale by looking at the ones that are either colored yellow or they will be gray, denoting that they are available. Once you've identified a land that is available, you can go ahead and you can click on it, and it's going to tell you what the price is in sand, as well as what assets you get with the land. You're going to want to make sure that you get at least the amount of sand that would be required to purchase the land, and then withdraw it and put it inside of your MetaMask wallet that's connected to the Sandbox Game website. If for some reason you can't see sand inside of your MetaMask wallet, you're going to want to scroll down and click where it says Add Token. You're going to go to Custom Token, and you can either copy the contract directly from the description, or you can find it in various places like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. You're going to paste the sand token address in. It's going to auto-populate. Click Next. Add tokens. And then it will show you how much sand you have inside of your wallet. Once you've confirmed that you have enough sand inside of your MetaMask wallet, you're also going to want to make sure that you have some Ethereum to pay for the gas fee that's going to be required to actually mint the transaction and transfer the land as well as the other NFTs into your possession. As of the time of this video, there are still some premium lands left within the current sale. We're now going to go ahead and take a look at what buying the estate that I was able to purchase on the first release of this wave looked like. All right, what's going on? This is Zachary sharing some information about participating in the land sales. There are a couple of things that you're going to want to make sure that you do whenever participating in a public sale with the Sandbox game. Number one, you're going to want to make sure that you have an account created. Typically, when the land sales are active, they're going to be disabling new account creation. So you are going to want to make sure that you create your account and fund it. I personally use MetaMask. Now, when you have your account and you've connected it and you've logged in and you've got your sand on it, and as you can see right now, there's a countdown. The sale is going to be starting in just a few minutes. What you're going to want to do, first and foremost, is identify where on the map is being sold. If we bring our attention over here to the right-hand side where all of these yellow icons are, we can see that this is going to be where the land is being sold on today's sale. If we come on over to the Sandbox Game Medium page, we're going to be able to scroll down and find a little bit more information about the sale. We can see that this one was posted about 2 days prior. And so on this sale, there's going to be a total of 1,874 premium lands sold. All of them come with 3 epic NFTs. There's a total of 9 that are going to be randomly distributed throughout this sale. It's going to be 13 estates that are 3 by 3 in size, so 9 individual spaces but combined together. And then there's going to be 19 estates, 13 medium and 6 large, which are going to be available through auction. So you'll have some time to participate in the auction, but if you want the premium lands with the NFTs or the estates that are 3 by 3, you'll have to be participating directly on the map. If we scroll down again, we can see that the premium lands with the NFTs are going to be available for 4,683 sand. If we take 4,683, multiply it by the current price, it's around 3,000 US dollars for the individual premium lands, as well as the 3 NFTs that are coming with it. We can see that the 3 by 3 estates, 8,636 sand, so we'll do the same calculation. 64 cents is the market price right now per 1 sand. 8636. We can see that the 3 by 3 estates are about 5,500 US dollars as of today. So let's go back to the map. We got about 40 seconds until the sale is going to be commencing, and then let's go and let's see if we can grab ourselves an estate. So I'm going to bump up the gas fee just to make sure that I can secure the land. Let's click confirm. I believe I was the first one to click on it, secured by booked by Trade House right there. So let's just give it a moment to make sure that it can process. We can see how quickly a lot of the other lands are being booked. As soon as you click on the land, you notice how I clicked that buy button, right? So there was a button that popped up in the bottom, transaction successful. Boom, we got ourselves a 3 by 3 estate right next to Avenge Sevenfold. But notice now, you'll be able to see when you're looking at other potential lands that are still available, it's got the assets that are going to be included and then the ability to buy the land. So if I wanted to buy this one as well, if I had enough sand left over in the balance, I could click on that and see it's going to give me this because I don't have enough, but it would pop up and it would give me that whole option to submit the transaction, and then once I go ahead and process it, it's going to confirm on the blockchain after a few moments, and then the land is mine. You may have noticed that I upped the gas fee. The reason why is because sometimes what happens if you don't put a high enough gas fee, your transaction times out. You have about 1 hour and then the transaction times out. So if it doesn't get confirmed on the blockchain, then you're going to lose that land. So you just want to make sure it's worth it, in my opinion, to pay a little bit of an extra fee. So now we're just going to see how long approximately it takes for all of these lands to be sold. Again, keep in mind that the 3 by 3s today are about $5,500 each. And then the individual lands are approximately 3,000 US dollars each as of the time of this video with the current market price of sand. And then each individual premium land also comes with 3 epic NFTs. And the main important thing is getting that transaction successful, the confirmation message. That's going to make sure that you do not lose the land from a failed transaction. And so I'm definitely looking forward to seeing once the entirety of the map is sold For anybody that isn't aware, once all of these squares are gone, so everything that's still outlined in gray has yet to be released, but once it's gone, it's gone. There is no more of the map that's going to be available. So I'm definitely excited, and I'm going to be dropping some more content here on the channel related to the Sandbox game. So feel free to like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you want to be one of the first people to know when the next content gets released. And hopefully, you found this video helpful to give you some perspective on what it's like to participate in a land sale. That's going to be all from me. I will see you in the next one.